In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize documents by phase and stack. Let's dive right in and streamline your document management process with these straightforward steps. First, let's begin by heading over to the Stack login page. Once you're there, simply click on Login with Google. This option simplifies your sign-in process if you already have a Google account associated. When prompted, just select your Google account from the list and you'll be logged in to Stack in no time. Now that we're in, it's time to navigate to your designated project by clicking on your project. This action will take you directly to the project dashboard where we can organize our documents effectively. To manage documents by their specific project phase, we're going to click on Plans and Takeoffs. When organizing documents, consistency is key. Make sure you utilize a logical folder hierarchy and adhere to standardized naming conventions. This approach is instrumental in maintaining a well-ordered document structure that's easy to navigate. Now, how do you create this organized hierarchy? Let's break it down. First, we need to create top-level folders. To do this within Stack, find the Sheet IDs section and click on the three dots next to it. This option allows you to create a new top-level folder. As you establish your main folders for each project phase, make sure they align with the phases you've defined. Once your top-level folder is created, click on Create Folder and name these folders appropriately. For instance, you might start with 01 Design Phase, 02 Bidding Phase, and so on. It's essential to number your folders as well as name them, due to Stack listing folders alphanumerically. This tactic ensures they appear in the correct chronological order, which is the foundation of efficient document organization. With your top-level folders in place, it's time to focus on specific phases by creating subfolders within these top-level folders. Once again, click on the three dots beside your newly created folder and select Create Folder. Here you can add subfolders for various document types such as plans, specifications, contracts, and addenda. As we name these subfolders, let's keep consistency at the forefront. You might opt for naming conventions like 01 Architectural Plans, 02 Contracts, or 03 RFI Logs. Such uniformity in naming not only keeps everything easy to find, but also ensures clarity and consistency across your projects. By following these steps, you can effectively organize your documents by phase and stack, creating an intuitive and streamlined document management system that simplifies access and reduces the time spent searching for vital information. Thank you for joining me in organizing your documents more efficiently today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video for more useful tips and insights.